So there are two things at play here. There's the financial piece and then there's the influence piece. I think as far as Elon's concerned, this is about influence. If you are a director at Twitter or on the board of Twitter in any way, you're looking at the financial piece and value for shareholders. Now, yes, this is a premium to where it was at the end of January. It's also a significant discount to where it was just sort of 6-8 months ago. The shares were at 70.
Analysts suggest that for an investor, these prices may look inflated. However, when we look at this from a shareholder's point of view, they may pretty much be under the impression that the pieces do have the potential to rise a bit more. The Twitter stocks recently went up by over 27% in recent days. One of the major reasons for this recent investment was when Elon Musk came onto Twitter. We will certainly have a look at a few essentials of this deal, but before that, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel CHAMATH and friends. And also let us know in the comments below your thoughts on Twitter. Are you on board with their progress? If not, what are you waiting for? Elon Musk has been saying that Twitter has extraordinary potential and he will unlock it. Let us look at the letter which he wrote to the chairman of the board. He stated that he invested in Twitter and he believes in its potential to be a platform for free speech across the globe. He stated that he also believes social speech is a societal imperative for a functioning democracy. Since he made his investment, he's been thinking about it and has come to a conclusion that this societal goal cannot be achieved in its current form, and it needs to be taken private. He further commented that he's ready to buy 100% of Twitter for $54.2 per share in cash at a 54% premium over the day before he began investing in Twitter, and a 38% premium over the day before his investment was publicly announced. He also stated that this is his best and his final offer, and if it is not accepted, he would need to reconsider his position as a shareholder. So as you see, Elon Musk is fully determined at making sure that Twitter turns private and operates to unlock the fullest potential that it has. This has turned into one of the key decisions that the board will have to take, and also a very important decision given the state of development of Twitter. We all know the kind of impact Elon Musk has made through his Twitter post back in the times of Dogecoin. This may have been one of the key reasons which made him realize the value of Twitter in terms of community creation and influence. He is already one of the greatest public figures, and with this company up until his investment portfolios, we think that he has a long way to go with respect to making a significant influence. Twitter, on the other hand, has a great impact on journalism and, more importantly, free speech. The takeover by Elon Musk could mean definite changes in the manner things have been working in the past. Though these changes are for the good of American society, the liberals have not really been happy with the intention that Elon Musk had. The chances of this offer that Elon came up with getting accepted have been very less since the start, and there are multiple reasons for it. This does not mean we are against him coming into power. The fact is that if he comes in, there really will be significant changes in the manner in which things have been working with Twitter. It may really turn into one of the most democratic and free speech encouraging platforms that have ever existed on this planet. The potential has always been high, as he mentioned. Elon Musk just needs to be given a chance to tap it out. It is a fact that before Musk made an investment, Twitter was being shared at a price below its IPO price. This changed swiftly after he stepped in, and this is yet another indication that the people are happier with him being on the board. However, while we say that, it's important for us to also declare that last year, we did see the prices climb up to cross the $70 mark. However, the markets were inflated back then and hence cannot be a justifiable comparison.
This is a very compelling offer to just get out of a stock that has been underperforming.
One of the key points that we could decipher from the actions and words being used by Elon Musk is that he's not confident about the direction in which the management is taking the company at this point in time. However, according to the management, these are differences of opinion and may not really be the manner in which they want to proceed with the company. The management intends to continue the direction in which the company has been moving in, and therefore, chances are that they may ultimately reject this proposal that has come in from Elon Musk. Also, in case this does happen and the management decides to not accept the offer, this means that there are high chances that Elon Musk would reposition himself and the stocks that he has bought, ultimately leading to a price correction and a huge fall. So the decision that management takes now either means that they could drive the market value down, or on the other hand, give the company to Elon Musk. One of the other challenges that the company may have to endeavor, though, is to bring forth a plan to work out the public scrutiny. This public scrutiny is an after effect of a decline, which means that this could break a lot of trust that people have in the company. Despite the claims that Elon Musk looks forward to democratizing this platform and is not all behind the money involved, the company management seems to be a bit on the back foot to let this happen. The reasons behind this may be multifocal, however, the most important one among them was the fact that the intentions that Elon Musk has are not really in alignment with the intentions that the management has been having with the future of Twitter. From the eyes of a shareholder, Elon Musk's contention that he is not really interested in the monetary aspects may not really align with a few of these statements. Take, for example, his vision of monetizing the platform. He does speak about changing the manner in which it gets monetized. So this inconsistency is one another criticism that the shareholders came up with in terms of the offer he provided to Twitter. Speaking of providing 100% free speech as being asserted by the billionaire is something that is highly promoted by businessmen, economists, and millionaires worldwide. CHAMATH is one of the greatest examples of this.
The only solution to speech you don't like is more speech. And then that creates a surface area that I think you can technically maneuver around. So meaning, what are the real problems in all of this speech creates? It creates a content moderation issue, right? It creates a spam issue, and it creates a sort of wisdom of the crowd's ranking rating issue.
One of the important points he has been making is about the impact that Elon could make, which only a company under him can make because of the capital structures of other companies, not allowing a single voice to override their decisions. Chamath says this is not the case here for Elon Musk, and things may turn really interesting for Twitter.
And just days after declaring the ownership of over 9% stake in Twitter, Tesla CEO Elon Musk has now offered to buy the 100% stake in the social media company. Disclosing through a regulatory filing today, Musk has offered a price of $54.2 for each share. Reacting to Elon Musk's offer, the Twitter firm said that its board will carefully review Musk's bid for the company.
So as you notice, the world has spread and all the eyes are on the stock prices right now, as people try to have a look at the effect that the investments may have had on the company. Elon Musk comes with a huge number of fans behind him, and also founder of Cardano, Charles Hoskinson, who proposed to build a new decentralized social media platform together to practice freedom of speech. Musk's influence in the market has been proven multiple times through cryptocurrencies, and this time through stocks, and one of the most renowned social media platforms in the world, his power has once again been proved in the world of investments. Twitter is a really powerful venue to express your concerns and be free about your opinions. In recent days, Elon Musk has been really dissatisfied with the way the company is being managed, and this led to his desire of taking it private and buying all the shares of it. The vision he has for the company is quite different. Unfortunately, it looks like we will have to wait a bit longer before we see something happening. We'll meet you again in another video. Until then, stay tuned and keep learning about your favorite giants.